My name is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio. And Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice that specializes in hair loss solutions for those suffering from thinning hair and hair loss. I am shiny because I just finished working. I want to talk about lace. With hair pieces, with daily wear hair pieces, a lot of them have different fronts. It could be a lace front, it could be a mono, it could be a skin top, it could be different things, right? With hair systems and lace, there are different qualities of lace. There is French lace, there is Swiss lace, right? And there are even different deniers in lace. And what that means is there are different qualities of this each type of lace. There are different qualities of Swiss, different qualities of French, right? Some high quality hair pieces are made with a high quality Swiss lace. And a high quality Swiss lace, you'll see at the end of the lace, you'll see that it frays a little bit. You have to determine when you get this hair piece, how do you intend on wearing it? If you intend on wearing it with adhesive, or do you intend on wearing it with no adhesive? If you intend on wearing it with no adhesive, that lace in the front has to maintain a certain level of tension, right? If you plan on using nothing, it has to have a certain level of tension. So in that case, you need that lace to be cut straight across, and the natural effect of the hairline is going to come from the actual hair in the system. However, if you plan on wearing it with adhesive, you can, and I see people doing it, cutting the lace jagged. I'm never a fan of cutting lace jagged. Never. Of cutting it like in a, or even using pinking. At a bare minimum, you could use pinking shears, when that's the ones where it looks like it's a little. But even with pinking shears and a high quality Swiss lace, it's going to cause that lace to roll back a little bit, and that's fine. But you just have, and it's okay for the lace to roll back. But if that lace rolls back, you're going to trim it and trim it and trim it until you need a new system or a lace extension. You only want to do a lace extension with a kind of a higher end hairpiece, because sometimes a lace extension can cost the amount of a new hair system. So that depends. Of course, you know there are hair systems as high as $8,000 and $10,000. So when you spend a lot of money on $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on a hair piece, then these are things that you can do to create longevity. Also, what you can also do is you can block your lace. I'm going to make a video about blocking the lace. You can block your lace, and that is a way to preserve the lace as well, and to preserve the shape of the lace and stop it from rolling back as fast. But if you have a high-end hair system and you cut that lace jagged, whether you plan on wearing it with adhesive or not, you're going to need a new system sooner. That's what I'm trying to say. You're going to need a new piece sooner. Anytime I have a guest who has a high-end hair piece, we cut that lace straight across, and we use hair to give a natural hairline versus using that lace. Okay? When you invest in a high-quality piece, there are things you can do to help you make that piece last longer. There are also things that you can do that can cause you to make that piece not last as long. And one of those things is cutting that lace jagged.